rotary cutter is a great addition to any sewing room or as a substitute to a pair of sewing scissors. The rotary cutter makes cutting straight lines easier and is great for patchwork, quilting, or precision cutting. They are also great for cutting stretchy or slippery fabrics such as velvet or satin, as the fabric won't shift or move while you're trying to cut it. Our Echidna rotary cutter has a curved design with an anti-slip handle, which provides a natural, comfortable fit for your hand. It also has a safety lock that covers the blade when not in use. When using a rotary cutter, make sure that you always have a cutting mat or a self-healing mat underneath so you do not damage the surface you're working on or the rotary blade itself. If you're cutting straight lines, we recommend using it in conjunction with a patchwork or quilting ruler, as if you use a thinner ruler, you can run the risk of running over the ruler and injuring yourself. Like a pair of sewing scissors, your blade will get dull over time. Now, while you cannot sharpen a rotary blade, you can easily replace it with a new one. All you have to do is unscrew the knob on the right, the cap and the blade will come off, swap out your old blade for a new one, replace the cap and retighten the knob. A rotary cutter works best with momentum. Move your blade back slightly, then push forward swiftly with a light pressure to achieve a nice clean cut. When using a ruler, press down on the ruler with one hand and while cutting, angle the rotary cutter slightly to avoid any mistakes. You can order the Echidna rotary cutter and the rest of these products from our website. And don't forget to tag us on Instagram so we can see what you're doing with your Echidna rotary cutter.